We know that sweating is natural and healthy, but that doesn't make armpit stains, shiny faces, or slick palms any less awkward. Joining us today via Skype is the president and founding member of the International Hyperhidrosis Society, Dr. Deanna Glazer. Doctor, what's new in the world of antiperspirants?
Well, I think what's new and exciting is that there's a lot more choices. So besides just your semi-solid and your roll-on and spray-ons, now there are some really neat over-the-counter and new prescription antiperspirants that, for instance, come in wipes, come in packaging that really allows for individuals to get something that they can use easily and that doesn't sting or burn their skin.
How do they work?
Well, the antiperspirants work like any other. They have a metal salt in them, and those help to form a little plug inside the sweat duct where the sweat would normally come out onto the surface of the skin. And that little plug can actually last for several days. So if someone misses a day for applying their antiperspirant, it doesn't matter. They're not going to have any problems.
So why would you say patients like them?
I think patients are really enjoying the wipes because they're convenient. They come in little individualized packages. You can pack them with you for a weekend. You can take them to the gym. But also, there's a lot more focus on making them so they're not irritating, because one of the problems with some of the newer prescription-based antiperspirants is that they can be really irritating to the skin. And for instance, the Kleinerts. It's made in an aloe. There's no alcohol. It's got some soothing vitamin E. And a lot of these products are really trying to make a compound that can be used to sensitive areas because patients are using them in different areas and not just the underarms.
Now, I have to ask you a question because I know sometimes this can be a little bit of an embarrassing topic for some people to discuss. So are some of this packaging, is it discreet for them?
Yeah, so like the little packets that are individually wrapped, for instance, like the body wipes or the Kleinerts, they come like almost the size of just a little hand wipe, and you could just put them in your purse or in your backpack, or like I said, keep one in your desk if you need to. But what's so nice is one wipe typically will be enough to do your hands, your feet, your underarms, maybe even under your breast or in the groin area. People sweat from so many different body parts that they have to treat and worry about.
Would you say that there is any body part where we shouldn't be using these wipes or antiperspirants?
No, I think if there's an area that's sweating excessively or bothersomely, then go ahead and use the antiperspirant to that area. And again, I've seen all kinds, lower back, under the breast, in the groin, hands, feet, the scalp, facial sweating, the neck, the back of the neck. No one wants their hairline all wet. So almost anywhere, as long as you use it enough that you're getting improvement in the sweating, but not so much that you're getting any skin irritation.
Now, a lot of people think, you put on your antiperspirant in the morning, but is there a best time of day to put your antiperspirant on under the arms?
Right. Almost any antiperspirant, the best time to use it is in the nighttime before you go to bed. And the reason is that has just the right amount of baseline sweating coming to the skin that helps to grab onto the active ingredient, bring it down into the sweat duct, and make a little plug. When you put it on in the morning, after you've showered or after you've gotten out of bed, the basal level of sweating is a little bit too high to really maximize that plug. So no matter if you're using a regular antiperspirant or you're actually using a prescription or you're using a clinical strength, you're going to get the best results if you put it on at night. And even if you shower or shave in the morning, you're not going to wear out the efficacy.
Well, this is such great information that is sure to change the way people handle sweating. Remember to share with friends using #OwnShow.